Put your hands together for the Cornish Oafs! The issue with us is we've got too high a BMI. We got a too high BMI. Combined BMI of 70. Just comprehensively fuck right off.
Get in the fucking sea if you don't like it.
Yeah, get into the fucking sea and punch a squid in the tits. Alright? The next one's biblical and sexually aggressive is probably the best way to put it, isn't it? But let's do the Gons Vavab.
God's curse on your mother's vagina!
Which is fucking hardcore.
We've gone up a gear.
What? Yeah, it's definitely up another gear, isn't it?
Yeah.
What the fuck is God's curse on your vagina going to look like? That's what I'm thinking about.
We've done some diagrams, but we'll show you later.
Anybody wants to have a chat later on. So that's your swears. And the next thing we're going to do is introduce you to two delightfully X-rated place names. It means prominent penis. Which I think is the best way to describe a boner ever, in it.
It's like middle-class dad describing what's happening in his trousers to his family.
Oh, honey, I appear to have a very prominent end at the moment. I should tuck it into my belt.
I'm going to have to employ the gentleman's tuck to disguise my prominent penis.
You probably should have, but...
Who was it who did the shit in the river down here? Screeching? Fuck! There's people out there weeping in comedic joy out there.
I'm going to say, the two gentlemen's right here. If you come up on stage, please, ladies and gentlemen, give a round of applause for these little beauties. Lewis and Reese, ladies and gentlemen, Lewis and the Black Dragon Reese here.
Where you from, mate? Devon. We've got a Saxon on the stage, we've got a Saxon on the stage. Hello. Get lucky.
This man is sexually active, ladies.
He will make love to you if necessary. If necessary. In a flash. With one shoe off, one shoe on.
Preferably on a hill.
On a hill. Lunging into it like a sexual leopard. I'm from Devon.
Fucking hell, right. What's happening here? You boys are fucking just coming to shag, isn't it? Fuck the bands, fuck the comedy, I want to fucking my ass out. Right, yeah, so...
Look at my hike, he's ready to hike. So
I will hike for fucks.
Hiking for fucks. There's anything you've taken home today, no Cornish fucking language, but hiking for fucks apparently is a thing.
I don't care what gradient, I'm up there.
Dartmoor Centre, straight up Covanic boner tour. That's right. I've got a boner on boner. Right, let's fucking get this story now. Right, on. Down. Tree. Pezbar. Thank you very much, Jim. Thank you.
Available for penetrative sex all night long.
And hikes, if you've got the energy left.
Let's have sex over there.
In amongst that gorse, it's 17 miles. Don't worry, I've got Hawaiian underpants on. Follow the underpants. Right, fucking hell. The man, the dildo, velociraptor, Fussick.
Oh, fuck it!
Yes! Yeah.
Motherfucker!
You motherfucker! You motherfucker!
You motherfucker!
Motherfucker! Motherfucker! You motherfucker! You do it, motherfucker!
Fuck you, motherfucker! When does it end? Motherfucker! You
Thank you very much.
That was very nice of you.
Enjoy Boardmasters and he's just
things.
there with his tropical pants if you need him.
Mr. Fox ready to get it on. See him on the angled cliffs.